Ki khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Hadin baga Sarkar Assam gala penlong ain ka perking ye ka jingshalan masi na kaliang jo ka Sarkar Meghalaya kala shim ye ka jingkit kle ban ai de ka transit pass ya ki nong khayi ki balai kit ye ki masi shodo nabar ka jilla Meghalaya. Haka jingya keren bat kilat pathai khubor usumbut menteri rangba jo ka jilla uba preston tensong ula ong baga dei ka kamram jong ka Sarkar jilla ban ai ki transit pass shiki nong khayi ki balai kit ye ki masi jong ka jilla Meghalaya hadin bakaladon ka jingya keren penbet bat ka Sarkar Assam bat ka bala menjur ban itho ye ki transit pass bala ai de ka Sarkar Meghalaya ya ki nong khayi masi.
As per their bill passed in the assembly, one para was mentioned that whoever gets the this transit pass will definitely allow them to come to any state, be it Meghalaya, be it Mizoram, or be it Nagaland, or wherever they wanted to go. So right now, the duty of the state government, as far as Meghalaya is concerned, means we need to issue a transit pass to those, to the customers or to the traders, whoever bringing the cattle from outside the state. So state government will issue as I said to you, the transit pass. Not at all. We have already taken it up with the government of Assam, and then it is also mutually agreed that transit pass has to be issued by the concerned beneficiary state. Means when we need it, then we issue the transit pass, and the traders will bring in those cattle, whatever they want. As I said to you, because the transit pass is being issued, and we have already directed veterinary department to make sure that there is no hurdles. We don't have any difficulties for customers or for the traders who keep supplying cattle to our state, because well our state is the meat eater. We maximum we eat, be it beef or be it pork or be it whatever. So taking into consideration the importance of this issue, that's why I'm telling you, we have already taken it up. We have already resolved the issue with the government of Assam.